You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Panda's coming to town. It's a great day to be a miner, and it's a great day because we got a lot of cool new hardware to open. Let's quit gabbing and let's spin that intro. Hey, how are ya? We got a lot of cool new stuff to open. Let's stop gabbing. Let's just start digging into this stuff. Let's start with the most important of the new hardware first. So let's set this stuff aside. We'll set that here and here, and let's start with this, one of the most important items. This is from Mr. Teaspoon Miner. You know what time it is. RGB knife. Engage. Let's open this thing up and see what Mr. Teaspoon Miner has sent us. If you haven't already, I highly suggest that you go over to his channel and subscribe. And if you're in the Misfit Mining Discord, he has his own channel in there as well, where he gives us a teaspoon of mining information and a teaspoon of goodness all the time. Let's see what's in here. Dun dun dun. That's an official Teaspoon Miner cryptocurrency sticker. It says Teaspoon Miner cryptocurrency by the teaspoon. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. So next, and equally as important, a beautiful package that I got from my man Red Panda Mining. This guy just continues to give back to the community. He is the man. Let's see exactly what is in this box. Let's do it again. All right, what's in the box, Brad? What's in the box? I don't know, we're gonna find out, buddy. Recently, I made a video talking about CalChip and how they basically are not sending anybody any miners, or they've sent them out months behind and months behind, and they're basically trying to get people to cancel their orders because they can't fulfill the existing orders. So after I made my video, Mr. Red Panda Mining reached out to me and said, hey man, I got something for you. I was like, what do you got for me? He said, it'll be in the mail. I was like, all right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Boy, this box has seen better days, but I don't care about the box. Get out of here, box. So let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Wow, man, I am floored. This is a Rak2 Hotspot Miner 2. This is exactly what I made my video on that I have not been able to get, that I ordered back in April. So let's just take a look at this guy. Ooh, man, this is nice. Looky there. Wow, I'm blown away, I'm floored. Seriously, Red Panda Mining, you go above and beyond. You are so good to the community. I appreciate everything you've done for all of us and continue to do. If you guys aren't checking out his content every day, watching him grind, watching him grow, watching him give back, you're doing something wrong. Jump over in his channel. I highly advise it. I'm floored, buddy. Seriously, this is amazing. So we're definitely gonna have to do some content on this thing, get it hooked up, get it mining, and just see exactly what the Helium Hotspot mining is all about. Let's move on. All right, next, let's just go ahead and open up some of these accessories and blow through these, and then we'll get into the fun packages as well. All right, this one is from Amazon. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. I kind of forgot what some of these things are. Okay, so this is just a VGA to HDMI adapter and another VGA to HDMI adapter, and that's because I use some cheap old Dell monitors in my basement rigs and in my garage rig, and that's what I connect them to the motherboard. I do use display out because I'm running Windows on all of my rigs. Yes, Windows. Next accessory, let's see what's in here. Let's tear this one open. Got to break out the RGB knife to actually get into this one. Let's see if we can get in without actually cutting ourselves. All right, a whole bunch of cords. What do we have here? We have some C13 power cords for our server power supplies. Somehow I ran out and I stuck a random cord on my 1000 watt on the Arbiter build, and man, it got hot. It started getting all tacky. I could smell it. It actually melted a little bit against the pad it was on. Not smart, and I don't know what I was thinking. I just grabbed a random cord thinking it was a power supply cord, and it was probably an old monitor cord. So this is a heavy duty one. This is a 15 amp cord here. This one is a 13 amp cord, and this one actually is a 13 amp. It's 16 gauge, but it actually has 2 C13 ends and only 1 standard outlet plug on the other side. So I'm hoping on one of my lower power 2 server power supply setups that I can just run 1 cord and hook into both server power supplies. Let's look at that real quick. So here's what it looks like. It just has a standard end on the one end, and then on the other side I have 2 C13 ends to plug into 2 server power supplies simultaneously, and that way I could just use 1 plug to the wall. Now this thing's only 13 amp, so I wouldn't want to put it on a really high load, but it is a 16 gauge wire, so it feels pretty solid. We'll have to test it out, and then if we feel any heat going through this thing, we'll probably have to back off and split it back out and use it on a lower power rig. All right, next, I'm not sure what's in this one, so let's open it. After stuff sits for a while, you kind of start to forget what you actually have. This one's an important accessory. This is 4 of the Teckin Wi-Fi switches with the power management on them. And I've been using the Teckin Wi-Fi outlets for probably 3 years. And these ones are the specific ones you want to target, which they're not sold widely anymore because these actually will use up to 240 on the actual outlet, and it is a 15 amp. Some of the newer ones are 13 amp, and they do not specify above 120 volt from the wall. So these were clutch for my continued setups and my power management. All right, so next, this one's not really an unboxing, but I just picked this up a couple days ago from our friends at Best Buy, hence the pretty gray bag. Let's just take a look at it. This is an RTX 3060 Ti that I picked up from Best Buy on a online drop. Got it at MSRP, I think. Total counting tax and everything is $550. This is an LHR card, so we'll have to set it up accordingly, but it still should mine pretty well. Next, let's open this one. I'm kind of curious what's in this. This is a heavy one, and I'm not really sure I remember what this is. This is actually brand new shelf, heavy duty shelf brackets for a new shelf that I'm going to put in the garage for a new rig. These were off of Amazon. I'll make sure to link these down in the description. They are really heavy duty, very well rated, and they hold quite a bit of weight. And this specific kit comes with, I believe, 8 of these. It comes with really heavy duty wall anchors and a screwdriver for some reason, in case you're one of those people that don't have a Phillips screwdriver. All right, let's start the next one. Let's see what we got here. We're getting now into the more fun packages. Oh yeah, this one came from my man Jtrav. Check out his channel. He does great mining content. I actually did a little swap ski on a GPU with him. I had a 3060 Ti EVGA that I bought brand new 3-fan for the win model. That is an LHR, but I needed a new 6700 XT for my Arbiter build. So I did a little swap, and yeah, I paid a little bit of extra, but he had this brand new and I had the other one brand new, and we did an even trade. So let's take a look. Get out of here, box. There it is. This is an AMD Reference RX 6700 XT, and he picked this up from the AMD drop that happens every Thursday. Make sure to check out my video on how to accomplish this. What do we have here? Look at the sticker. Okay, let's open it. This one is an exciting heavy-duty card right here. Oops, it's a graphics card. It's a graphics card. Again, from our friends over at AMD. Get out of here, box. This is the AMD RX 6800 reference model. I literally picked this up on a Thursday off the online, and it was delivered to my door on Sunday. Man, AMD has some quick turnaround as long as you know how to get in and buy it and as long as your order doesn't get canceled. So make sure again to check out my video on how to accomplish this. Next, let's move on. It's raining GPUs. What's in the box? What's in the box? Our box. And this is an EVGA RTX 2060 Super. Picked this up from EVGA's website. This will be a nice addition to my temp rig. My temp rig's gonna have 6 2060/2070 Supers. So I'm actually gonna have to rename it, build it on out, and then make a new temp rig, and that's where we'll go from there. And finally, this is from Newegg. It's a thicker box, so it's probably one of the combo mombos that you get forced into. But if you want a good graphics card, sometimes you have to take the combo. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? This is an MSI B450A Pro Max. This is a decent motherboard. I don't know that I'm going to use it, but if I do, at least this is a solid Ryzen AMD motherboard and not one of the cheapo small micros that really aren't that useful. So that's why I went with this combo over a different combo. And then, of course, what's in the box? This is the Power Color Red Devil RX 6600 XT. These 6600 XTs are super efficient, really good cards. Man, that is depressing. What is up with that? How is this box so mangled when the box that it came in wasn't dented at all?
Yep, I'm flying through the air. This is not good.
Newegg sent me a return. And it looks like the sticker's been opened too. Great. Great, great. Well, that's pretty disheartening. This thing has probably been open. It's been tattered, it's been beaten, it's been bruised. That sticker's questionable. We'll open it up and see what it looks like inside. If this thing has been open, I'm sending it back. I'm not gonna deal with this. One thing about Newegg is they are pretty good about returns. So if I have to return it, I'm gonna return it, and then I'm gonna get my money back because that's terrible. Look at that. Not a single corner on this box is dented, but this box is beat up. This is a return. Thanks, Newegg. I appreciate you. Quick addendum, right after I got done filming the unboxing of the table, I got a couple more key items in that I wanted to go ahead and open and add to this video. So the first one, a nice little letter here to Mr. Altered Component. So let's see who this one's from. This one feels nice. All right, let's see what's in here. Let's get a look at those. That is from none other than the Hobbyist Miner. If you don't know who he is, go check out his channel. I'll make sure to link down in the description. He has some great mining content, so go check him out. Let's read what the letter includes here. He has a nice little insert. It says, a legend among crypto miners speaks of the mining sticker hailing from the far reaches of the mining realm with embowed powers. This legendary sticker is rumored to not just look hella cool, but also provide any crypto mining rig within 10 feet an additional 5 mega hashes per mining GPU. If you deem yourself worthy of such power, begin your journey. Take hold of your destiny. The sticker is yours, miners. The Hobbyist Miner. Not financial advice, but do not proceed with legal action if the sticker does not in fact provide an additional 5 mega hash per rig. Next, I got a nice little combo mambo in. Quick open, quick open. We gotta see what's in here. This is from Newegg. It came pretty quick. Let's see what it is. It is the combo. Here is the motherboard that came with it. It is a B560M Pro VDH. It's an Intel board, and at least I could use it if I decide to keep it We'll see. I might just sell that one back out cheap just to recoup a little bit of the combo price. And of course, I grabbed myself a Sapphire Pulse RX 6600 non-XT model. I want to get this thing on a test bench and test it out and get the nerdy numbers, and then I might do a comparison with some 6600 XTs, maybe even its big brothers, the 6600 XT Nitro or the 6600 XT Pulse, but that's upcoming, so we'll get into that shortly. And I decided I just want to go ahead and slide these couple items in since they came on the same day as the unboxing. And again, I want to say thank you to the Hobbyist Miner. These stickers are absolutely gorgeous. Well, there you have it, a pretty bountiful haul. I just want to again say thank you to Red Panda, Jtrav, and Teaspoon Miner, 3 amazing cryptocurrency miners and YouTube content creators. Make sure to check out all their channels, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. Let's hop into the outro. Well, there you have it, some awesome new hardware. I just want to again say thank you to Red Panda Mining. You are the man. We got some awesome new GPUs, some great mining accessories, and a lot of good stuff. A lot of good stuff to bring you more future content. If you like this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride.